Palembang. Give applause. Cek, cek. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. I'm Nyimas Zhafira and I'm 6th grade from Muhammadiyah Elementary School number 14 Palembang. Today, I'm gonna be telling you a story entitled The Brave Kancil and the Crocodiles. Once upon a time, deep in the lush jungles of Sumatra, there lived a small but brave mouse deer named Kancil. Though Kancil was small and weak compared to the other animals in the forest, he was known for his cleverness and bravery. Many times he had outsmarted larger animals and escaped from danger. One hot day, Kancil was wandering in the forest, looking for something to eat. He felt very thirsty after walking for a long time. So he decided to find a river where he could drink fresh water. I must find a way. As he reached the river bank, he noticed the problem. This river was wide and there was no bridge to cross. On the other side of the forest, there was a beautiful grove of fruit trees, and Kancil could see the juicy fruits hanging from the branches. I must find a way to cross this river, thought Kancil. He smelled watering at the side of the fruit. But then he remembered something else. This river was home to many crocodiles, and of course, they are always hungry. On the other side, Kancil passed back and forth, trying to come up with a plan. Suddenly, an idea struck him. He smiled to himself and called out loudly, "Hello, crocodiles! Come out, come out! I have an important message for you from the king of the jungle." Hearing Kancil's call, one by one, the crocodiles began to emerge from the water, their eyes peeking above the surface. One large crocodile swam up close to the riverbank and growled, "What do you want, Kancil? Why are you calling us?" Kancil, without showing any fear, replied, "Oh, mighty crocodiles, I bring a message for you from the king of the jungle. He decided to reward all of you with a great feast. But first, he needs me to count all of you to make sure he has enough food for everyone." The crocodiles, excited by the idea of a feast, began to whisper among themselves, "A feast? That sounds wonderful," they thought. The largest crocodile spoke again. "And how will you count us, Kancil?" Kancil smiled and said, "It's simple. All of you must line up from this side of the river to the other. I will hop on each of your backs and count as I go." The crocodiles, eager for the promised feast, quickly lined up across the river, forming a bridge with their bodies. Kancil jumped onto the first crocodile's back and counted loudly. 1, 2, 3. Kancil hopped onto the first crocodile's back and counted loudly. 4, 5, 6. As he reached the last crocodile, he leaped onto the riverbank and the other side and continued on the other side. He leaped onto the riverbank on the other side, and he leaped onto the riverbank on the other side. Well, what do you... Leap onto the riverbank. The crocodiles were furious. The crocodiles were furious. They had been tricked by the clever Kancil. But then he noticed. He controlled laugh and said, haha, it's not always about strength. Sometimes being clever is more important. Moral of the story: in difficult situations, intelligence and clever thinking can be more valuable than strength. Thank you for attention. I apologize if there are any mistakes in delivering this story. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.